Hey everyone, welcome back to the If You're New Here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our exciting motorcycle content. Today, we've got something special, something that's sure to get any motorcycle enthusiast's heart racing. We're diving deep into the much-anticipated 2026 Honda CBX850. So sit tight, grab your helmet, and let's get into it. Performance and design in a way that only Honda can pull off. Set to be released in 2026, the CBX850 is already creating a buzz in the motorcycle world. It's not just another sport bike, but a machine built for versatility, style, and serious performance. This bike is aimed to satisfy riders who crave power, but also want something that's comfortable enough for long rides. Now, before we go any further, let's talk about what makes this bike stand out from the competition. Honda has always been known for creating motorcycles that are not only reliable, but also innovative. The CBX850 is no exception, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in terms of technology, design, and engineering. And in today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about this amazing motorcycle. From its engine specs to its design and riding experience, we'll cover it all. One of the first things you'll notice about the 2026 Honda CBX850 is its stunning design. The bike is a beautiful mix of modern and retro, with sleek, aggressive lines that make it look fast, even when it's standing still. Honda's design team has really nailed the aesthetic here, blending cutting-edge technology with a nod to the past. You can see hints of the iconic Honda CB series, especially in the fuel tank design, while also getting a feel for the more futuristic elements that are making this bike a standout. The body is lightweight, with a minimalistic yet muscular build that gives the CBX850 a sense of power without being overly bulky. One thing that stands out is the use of high-quality materials. Everything from the frame to the wheels feels premium. The materials are not just about looks. They also contribute to the bike's overall performance and durability. Another key design feature is the aggressive headlamp and the striking LED taillights. The angular headlights give the CBX850 an almost menacing look, while the tail section features sharp, modern lines that are perfect for today's minimalist trends. It's a bike that would look great on any road, but especially in the city, where its design will surely turn heads. Now, let's talk about what's really going to make the 2026 Honda CBX850 shine: its engine. Honda is known for making engines that combine power and smoothness in ways that make them a joy to ride, and the CBX850 is no different. Underneath that beautiful exterior, you'll find a powerful 850 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine. This engine is designed to provide the perfect balance of power and efficiency, making the CBX850 a great option for both weekend warriors and daily commuters alike. The engine itself is a significant upgrade from previous models in the CBX series. It's equipped with Honda's latest fuel injection technology, ensuring that the bike delivers impressive power across the entire rev range. Whether you're cruising at lower speeds or pushing the limits on the open road, the CBX850's engine will respond smoothly and without hesitation. What's impressive about the 850 cubic centimeters engine is how it balances performance with fuel economy. With Honda's focus on making more eco-friendly bikes, this bike is expected to have better fuel efficiency than many of its competitors in the same class. You can expect to get more miles per gallon, which is especially important for long-distance riders. But it's not just about efficiency. This engine is built for thrill. With around 120 horsepower and 75 lb-ft of torque, the CBX850 promises to deliver some serious speed. It's got the power to push through twisty roads and straightaways alike, with a top speed that will surely satisfy even the most aggressive riders. When you think of a high-performance sport bike, you might not always think about comfort. But Honda has made sure that the CBX850 doesn't compromise on rideability, even with its aggressive performance specs. The suspension system is fully adjustable, allowing riders to customize their ride based on personal preference or road conditions. Whether you're looking for a softer ride for long-distance touring or a stiffer setup for sharper handling on twisty roads, the CBX850 gives you the flexibility to choose. Handling on the CBX850 is something you'll definitely appreciate. The bike is incredibly nimble, making it a joy to carve through tight corners and city streets. Despite the bike's performance-oriented design, it's not too twitchy or hard to control. The balance between the front and rear ends is well calibrated, and the bike remains stable at higher speeds, thanks to the updated chassis and frame design. One of the areas where the 2026 Honda CBX850 truly shines is in its tech. Honda is known for integrating cutting-edge technology into their bikes, and the CBX850 is no exception. Let's take a look at some of the advanced features this bike has to offer. First up, the ride-by-wire throttle system. This system not only improves throttle response, but also offers more precise control. Combined with the electronic fuel injection system, the bike provides smooth, predictable power delivery throughout the rev range. These systems work together to ensure you maintain maximum control, even in less-than-ideal conditions like wet or slippery roads. And if you're an experienced rider, you can adjust the traction control settings to suit your riding style, providing a customizable experience. Another standout feature is the digital display. The CBX850 has a fully customizable LCD display that shows everything from speed and RPM to fuel consumption and tire pressure. It's easy to read, even in direct sunlight, and you can quickly toggle between different screens depending on what you want to see. Honda has also included smartphone connectivity, allowing you to sync your phone with the bike. You can access navigation, music, and even some ride statistics right from your phone while on the go. Plus, with the integrated Honda My Ride app, you can track your ride history, performance, and receive maintenance reminders. The 2026 Honda CBX850 is shaping up to be an exciting addition to Honda's lineup. With a perfect balance of performance, technology, and design, this bike is sure to impress both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. Whether you're looking for a bike that can handle long-distance touring or one that delivers thrilling performance on the track, the CBX850 has it all. So, what do you think of the 2026 Honda CBX850? Are you excited to see it hit the streets in 2026? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome motorcycle content. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll catch you in the next video, so keep the rubber side down and the throttle wide open. Until then, ride safe.